Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about first class maths. So children, in the previous class we have completed our topics such as subtractions using the number strips, subtracting a one digit number from a two digit number. So these topics we have completed in our previous class. So what is today's topic children? Yes, very interesting. Subtracting a two-digit numbers. Okay children, today's our topic is subtracting two-digit numbers. So let us see children, this is the subtracting of a two-digit numbers. So here the two numbers we have and we are subtracting a two-digit number. Okay children, so that means two digits means the tens place and the ones place. So first of all, we have to open our textbooks. Okay children, all of you open your textbooks. The page number here we have 151. The page number 151. So here the first example they have given children. So here what is the example means? Mummy made 45 idlis. So in the house, one day mummy made the 45 idlis. So suddenly if anybody guest come to our house means what we will do children? So mama had made so many idlis for us. So we are not eating that many idlis, but if any one or two members guest coming means, yes, we have to keep the more idlis. So here also, mama made 45 idlis. That means 4 tens and 5 ones. Okay children, from that 23 idlis were eaten. That means completed, eaten. Half of the idlis were eaten. So 2 tens and 3 ones, 23 idlis were eaten. Now the question is, how many are left? So children, left comes means what we have to do? Yes, of course we have to do the subtraction. So left means, if in the question the left word it comes means we have to do the subtractions. Okay, so anyhow this is the topic of a subtracting of a two digit numbers. So here we can see children, so idlis. So four plates of idlis are the children. So in each plate there are 10 idlis. So here the 10, here the 10, here the 10 and here the 10. 4 tens. So 4 plates of idlis. In each plate 10 idlis are there. So 4 tens are 40. So this is the tens. Comes to the ones place. This is the ones. Here how many idlis are there? 5 idlis are there. They have kept separately loose. So they are not mixed in the plate. They have kept the separately. So these are the tens counting and these are the ones counting. So ones we have kept separately. So 5 separate idlis are there. From that 23 were eaten. So here let us do the calculation from the ones place. So whatever will be children, whether it is a addition or a subtraction, so we have to do the calculation from the ones place. We have to begin the calculation always from the ones place. So we should not go from the right to left. We have to come from left to right. Okay children, from this way. So ones. Now 5 ones are there. From that 3 idlis were eaten. That means 1, 2, 3. 3 were eaten. How many are left now? Yes. 1, 2. 2 ones. So 2 ones are there. In the ones place, 2 ones. Comes to the tens place. Here 4 plates are there. Now here how many are there? 2. That means 2 plates of idlis were eaten. So 2 were eaten. Now how many are left now? Yes, 2 tens are 20. So 2 plates were left. 2 tens are there. So here we got the answer very easily. Isn't it children? So in this way we have to do the remaining sums. So I have given some examples for us. So children, in the textbook here we have one exercise type children. So many sums are there. So here. Now here this girl is saying I can do all these sums. Can you? Yes. We too can do all these sums. Very easy. So listen to me children carefully. Here we will do some more examples. So from this exercise only I have written some more examples. Let us see the examples. So if you see the examples means you too can do very easily. Let us see some more examples children. So let us see children some more examples. Here the same we have. tens and ones. Tens and ones. Now first begin from the ones place. So how many ones are there? So children, one more thing. Before you go to the sums, here we have drawn the lines. So this is an example, children. So just I have to understand you, I have given like this lines. So children, next time onwards when we are doing these sums, you should not draw the lines. You have to do with your fingers. Okay children, mind it, remember that point and don't draw the lines there. You are not allowed to draw the lines. So we are first standard now, so we can't draw the lines now. We have to do the calculation with our fingers. So within the fingers, with the 10 fingers only, we have to do the calculation. Okay children? Yes. Let us do now the ones place. So here, how many ones are there? 3 ones. So let us take the 3 fingers. The second number, how much we have? 1. So 1 finger, fold. Remaining, how many are there? 2. So 2 ones. Very simple. Now comes to the tens place. How much we have? 7. Take 7 fingers. Okay children? 5 and 6 and 7. Remaining, next the second number we have 5. So 5 fingers, fold. Remaining, how many are there? 2. So here we can write the 2 tens. Here is the sum. Very simple. Yes. Now we too can do all these sums. Isn't it children? Yes. Let us do some more example children. Here we have the 7. So take 7 fingers. 4 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers fold. Remaining, how many are left now? 1, 2, 3. So the 3 we can write here. Now comes to the tens place. Take 5 fingers. 2 fingers fold. Second number is 2. 2 fingers fold. Remaining 3. Yes. Here we got the 2, 2. And here we got the 3, 3. Yes. Now let us see children here. 89 minus 59. 9 minus 9. Oh, suppose we have the same numbers. And then what we have to do? That is also very simple. So these all we have already learned in the properties of subtraction. Isn't it? So the same number if you subtract, then what will be the answer? Yes, what we have guessed is correct. 0. Take 9 fingers fold, remaining 0. Nothing is there. So 0. The same number comes in a subtraction means 0. But in the addition, the number will increases. So for the 9, we are adding the 9 means the number will increases. While as in the subtraction, if you subtract the same number, 9 minus 9 or 2 minus 2 or 1 minus 1 or any number, it may be any number, 5 minus 5, whatever will be. So the answer will be 0. So 9 minus 9, 0. We don't need to take the finger at all. So 9 minus 9, 0. Now 8 minus 5. So take 8 fingers. Second number is 5. 5 fingers fold. Remaining 3. So here we can add the 3. Now comes to the second number. Here. The last example children. Here 5. So take 5 fingers. 4 fingers if you fold. All the 4 fingers I am folding. Remaining 1. Now here we have the 6. So take 6 fingers, 3 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 3. Yes. So here is the sums. Very simple terms children. Hope you understood all of you. So children, the textbook, the page number, the next page also children. The page number 152 also. Here we have so many sums. So these all you can do very easily. But slowly you have to do children. Very simple. These are the subtractions. So do the sums slowly and neatly and complete in your textbooks. Hope you understood children, all of you. Now let us see another topic, that is subtracting over tens. So let us see how we can subtract the tens now. So children, let us see the subtracting of tens. So the textbook children, the page number 152 here we have. So they have given one example for us. Mamta. Mamta means a small girl. She has 50 rupees. Mamta has 50 rupees and she spends, that means she used all this money. So she spends the money 20 rupees. So 50 rupees, Mamta is having 50 rupees and she spends the 20 rupees. Now how much money? Now she has how much money is left with her? So subtraction. So very simple children, this we no need to take the we don't need to write in a vertical form also. So actually in the before subtracting from a 2-digit numbers, we are writing in a vertical form and we are doing. So here these sums we no need to do the vertical form also. Like this only we can do the very simple. So what she told here now, the example 50 rupees. So Here the ones place, here we got the, this is tens place and this is ones place. Tens and ones. So in the ones place what we have children? 0, 0. So children, when you observe all these sums, here all for each and every one, tens means we are having the 0, 0. 0 in a ones place and the number will be there in a tens place. So here we no need to calculate the 0. So 0 minus 0 children, how much will be there? Yes, 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. So ones place will be already 0. So we don't need to calculate that. Now the tens place, comes to the tens place, here how much we have? 5. So if we remove the ones place, the 5, the ones, so here the tens will be 5 tens are there. So 5 tens minus how much she spent? 2 tens, that means 20 rupees she spent. So 2 tens, 20 she spent means how much is left now with her? Yes, 3 tens, that means 30 rupees are left now. So very simple now. Here we got now 30 rupees. 50 rupees are there, 20 rupees she used the money. So remaining how much now? Yes, the remaining 30 rupees are left there. So the 30 rupees here we can write. So like this we can do children all. Now 80 rupees minus 30 rupees. 80 minus 30. So the tens place if we do the subtraction very easy. Now the tens place here we have 8 tens, 3 tens. Take the 8 fingers. Okay children. And the 3. 3 we can fold, remaining 5. Yes, 5 tens means 5 tens are 50. So how much is left now? 5 tens, 50. Tens place only we can do very easy. So ones place anyhow will get 0 minus 0, 0. Now 70 minus 40. 7 minus 4. 7 tens, 4 tens. Take 7 fingers, 4 fingers fold, 1, 2, 3, 4, remaining 3. 3 tens, 30. Here also we got the 30. Very simple now children. Now let us see 30 minus 10. So you have 30 rupees. 10 rupees you ate the chocolates. Now remaining how much is left with you? Yes, 20 rupees. Very simple. Now 60 minus 40. Take 6 tens. 60 rupees are there with you. 40 rupees you have spent. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining how much? 2, 20. So 20 rupees. Now 90 minus 30. So you have the 90 rupees. And 30 rupees only you spend. So 1. So here we can do children 1, 2, 3. So remaining how much is left here now? Yes, 5 and 6. 60 rupees. So here we have completed children. So all of you children in the textbook, here they have given us small blanks for us. So there itself you can do the answers very fast. Because these are only tens. So the ones place we don't have, only the tens place only we have. So you can, when you do the tens place calculation, that's enough. So all the tens means only 20, 30, 40, 50, all these are the tens. So very simply you can do. So in this way. Hope you understood children, all of you, this topic. So all these here we can complete in your textbook itself. So from this exercise only I have given the problems. So like this you have to do the remaining sums. So children, up to here we have completed the topic subtracting of a 2-digit numbers. So children, all of you, hope you understood. Thank you.